Hello and a very warm welcome to this video. My name is Brian McGinty from Ireland, and I've dedicated the last 5 years of my life to a company and a mission to help people like you acquire the most valuable commodity on earth, and that's time. Now, you might have thought I was going to say money there, but that's only part of the solution. Lawyers may have to work 70 hours a week to achieve $1 million salary. Sports stars have to work every weekend, and if you're a movie star, you basically have to sign over your life to the public no matter where you go, giving up all your time. What we really need is an unlimited income stream, a residual income stream that pays weekly with minimal effort. Now, our company offer that, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Someone has asked you to watch this today because they want to become free. We're going to help those people become free. We're going to help you, and I'm going to show you how you can help lots of other people do the same. Now, our company is Karatbars, founded in 2011. We have over 500,000 customers in 120 countries, and Karatbars' credibility is not up for discussion, so I'm not going to waste time talking about that today. If you do want to see a longer presentation, I do have one available at thismightbeofinterest.com, which you're free to watch, but this system is not about watching long videos. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can use what Karatbars offer to give you all the time and financial freedom you could wish for. There's going to be no hype, just a simple system anybody can do, and you can have it up and running in the next 20 minutes. I'm going to show you a short animation now, which gives you a little bit of a fun overview, then a quick 10-minute presentation, and you can get started right away. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started.
Meet John. John hated his job and wanted to spend more time with his family. He had too much month at the end of his money and could never buy the things he wanted. John heard about people making an income online, and he wanted that too. John also heard about scams, so he needed to find a solid, established company, a simple system, and a mentor who would guide him. Luckily for John, he found Karatbars International and Brian McGinty's 5 Steps to Freedom. Karatbars was established in 2011 in Germany and has been growing successfully in over 120 countries. Brian has been with Karatbars since 2013 and has built a global organization of 15,000 affiliates and customers. Brian created a simple system using Karatbars, which was low cost, easy to follow, and didn't require any new skills. John registered with Karatbars, completed the steps on his dashboard, and started asking people to watch this video. 5 people saw the golden opportunity and did the same. John now has an organization of thousands from all over the world, earns weekly commissions, and accumulates free gold. John has finally found financial and time freedom. John is happy. Be like John.
This is your 5 Steps to Freedom plan. It's my mission to give everyone the chance to earn an unlimited weekly income, accumulate free gold, and achieve freedom from debt. My name is Brian McGinty, and I've been very successful in commission sales for over 20 years with businesses such as Sears, Marriott, Hilton, and Combined Insurance of America. I have also owned successful offline businesses. 5 years ago, I was introduced to Karatbars International, a company that not only offered the ultimate product everyone needs, but had the ultimate mission to help people. To use the founder's words, my mission is to produce the highest grade of gold available in the market, make it easily accessible to the masses of honest people around the world at a price point everyone can afford. My goal is that Karatbars helps millions find financial freedom from the current system of debt. Now, all I had to do was ask people to watch a pre-recorded presentation. Once they registered and bought gold or other products, Karatbars delivered them. I get paid my commissions every Friday, which I have done every week for 5 years. I didn't have to learn anything, sell anything, buy stock, deliver products, and I wasn't committed to any targets. At the time, I just lost my business. I was getting married. My wife Emma, you can see in the picture there, was ill with ME. She contracted severe malaria working as a missionary in Africa. Emma's mum had recently died from ovarian cancer. My mum was dying from dementia. Long story short, we were desperate to find a solid, flexible, long-term home business that would pay weekly. Luckily, a friend had heard about Karatbars and asked me to watch the video. Karatbars was established 2 years and had partnerships with FedEx, MasterCard, and that was good enough credibility for me. I went to visit head office, met the CEO and founder, Mr. Harold Seitz. I knew after that I had made the right decision. Now, fast forward to today. We now have 4 children. I live in a beautiful Victorian farmhouse. We live the life we want, how we want, when we want. We have the finances and time needed to ensure my wife gets the help and treatment she needs. All thanks to thousands of euros per month in passive residual income and thousands of happy customers who keep reordering. We have no other source of income, and everything in our lives we owe to Karatbars International and the vision of Harold Seitz. I'm a Gold Director Elite. I speak at company events all over the world. We go on paid holidays, and I meet with head office weekly as part of the leadership team. Most importantly for you, I have grown a team of 15,000 affiliates and customers in over 100 countries, which we have called the Global Gold Bullion Team. By studying thousands of people, I have seen what successful affiliates have in common, what works for them online and offline, and more importantly, what doesn't. That's 5 years of knowledge and thousands of hours of experience I can now share with you in this video. There are a few simple steps which, if you copy exactly, will ensure you succeed. They can give you all the financial and time freedom you will ever need. Now, I call this my 5 steps to freedom. It's a simple system anyone over the age of 18 can follow. It uses what Karatbars already provide together with this video. This will work for you even if you know nothing about sales and marketing. It's perfect for people who can't be bothered to go through months of learning and just want someone to show them what to do. This is the shortcut everybody's looking for. I know why people fail in network marketing, direct sales, and Karatbars, so I've removed all these reasons with this plan. Now, let's be clear. You don't need to learn about Karatbars or gold. You don't have to learn the compensation plan, as this plan ensures you earn everything you can. You don't have to take orders for customers or place them. You don't need to have to deliver any products. You don't need any sales experience. You don't have to attend webinars or meetings. You don't have to post links, send emails, or buy software. And you certainly don't need to sell, explain, convince anyone to buy anything for this to work. Simply follow my steps and you'll see everything fall into place. So how does it work? Now, I just want to also make it clear this is not a Karatbars system. It's based on my 5 years of building teams around the world. There are many Karatbars products and many ways to approach the business. This system is for people who simply want to make as much money and accumulate as much free gold as quickly as possible. The following instructions are simple to follow but must be followed exactly. Anything I've included or left out has been done on purpose. No thinking on your part is required, which is what makes this system so easy. So how much does it cost you to start? Well, the minimum amount you're going to need to get started is a one-off €210. It's about £180, $260, and then approximately €60, that's £50 or $70 per month, which is paid to Karatbars, by the way, not me. Now, that's not a lot for a business which could potentially change your life like it has mine and many other people. The initial payment will buy you a business package delivered to your home and a MasterCard so you can collect your weekly commissions. The €60 per month will start your own gold savings off, so you're not actually buying anything. Remember, you're just saving in gold. Now, the price of gold is irrelevant to anyone following this system because they'll be earning it for free out of their commissions. It wouldn't matter if the gold is $1 million a gram, the plan is going to pay for it. If you follow the steps, you'll quickly earn your package money back, your gold will be discounted or free, and you'll be earning cash commissions paid to your MasterCard every Friday. Remember, orders, deliveries, support is all done by Karatbars, so you can spend time doing whatever you want with your days. Financial freedom, plus, and this is important, time freedom has now been achieved. So are you ready to begin? Well, the first thing to do is register for free on the Karatbars website as an affiliate. There should be a link under this video. If not, get back to the person who sent you here today. Now you're on the dashboard, you will see 5 steps which you can just click and complete in literally a few minutes. Click the image to complete each step. So step 1. Order any marketing package. There are 4 main packages to choose from. The initial one is called a bronze, costs approximately €168 including delivery. Silver is next, $480 including delivery. Gold 1175, VIP 2380. As each package increases in price, they contain more products, but you also earn a higher commission. Bronze is 5, silver is 10, gold is 15, VIP is 20. That's not really important now. Which one should you choose? In my experience, you know right now watching this video which one of those you can comfortably afford, so buy that one. If you want to upgrade later, you simply pay the difference in price between one and the other. For example, I started in silver and moved up to VIP after 2 weeks. The important thing is not to hesitate or waste time, and the speed is a really important part of this plan for everyone, as you will see. You can buy it with a credit card, debit card, bank wire, or Bitcoin in a few seconds. If it doesn't go through in your card first time, you may need to call your card company to clear the payment. Now, back to your dashboard again. KYC, click the picture. So KYC, upload your KYC documents. KYC simply means know your customer. It's international regulations which proves you are who you say you are, and you can accept mail at your address. Take a clear picture of your driving license or passport and a recent utility bill using your smartphone and upload to the website. Just make sure your name and address in your profile match up with the documents. Take clear pictures of the whole document and all should be fine. Once uploaded, they should be approved within 24 hours. Step 3. Order your MasterCard. This will cost either €20 or €50 depending on where in the world you live. Karatbars use third-party MasterCard suppliers who create and manage the cards. This will take a couple of weeks to process, so it's important to do it right away. Step 4. Set up your autosave. Now, this isn't mandatory with Karatbars, but it is for this 5 steps to freedom plan. For this system, you need to save at least 1 grand per month, which is approximately €57. Saving 1 gram per month will also mean you qualify for loyalty bonuses after 12 months. Everyone's saving is key to this system being a success. Autosave is completely flexible, has no commitment, you can cancel it or change it at any time. You're going to pay this now, but remember, if your group follows the system, your commissions will cover this quite quickly. Now in step 5, this is where my system breaks away from the Karatbars 5 steps because my step 5 is different. My step 5 is this video you're watching now. When you complete your 5 steps, I'm going to make a website just like this one for you to use with your own link underneath. All you have to do now, you have those steps done, is to ask 5 people to watch this video and repeat the process. Now, how is this for an incentive? If you can find just 5 people in the next 5 weeks, you will even get a free upgrade to the next package level and therefore higher commissions. Remember how important I said speed was? The person who sent you this video wants you to be one of their 5. That's why they've asked you to watch the video today. By completing your 5 steps, you will be helping them too. People always ask, who can you ask? The genius of this system when used with Karatbars is that you can literally ask anyone over the age of 18 in any country we operate in. That's literally billions of people. You're not looking for fat people to make skinny or to make people younger, cure their illnesses. This is not health, nutrition, potions or pills. Now, do you know 5 people who hate their job? Do you know 5 people who would like to get out of debt? Do you think they would spend approximately €200 to get rid of one or both of those things? And do you think they know 5 people in the same position? Almost anyone in every country can do with either more money or more time freedom. If everyone completes the steps, they will be earning weekly cash commissions and everyone will be earning free gold. As long as you've completed step 1 to 4 in the dashboard and you start asking people to watch this video, that's all you have to do. Find 5 people in 5 weeks and get that free upgrade too. Register 5 people in 5 hours. It's up to you how fast you want to do this. More speed always leads to bigger success. My aim is to create thousands of happy business partners, number 1, who are earning, and savers around the world, number 2. My aim is that I help you be successful, the person who introduced you to this video and the people you refer. That's why this is so simple. There is no downsides to my plan for anyone. If everyone follows, everyone wins. So let's take a look at how your business could grow in 6 months. 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 5 is 125, 125 times 5, 625, 625 times 5, 3125, and then 3125 times 5 is 15,625, just slightly over the size of my own personal organization. Now, if those 15,625 people were saving just 1 gram per month, your business would be generating over €800,000 per month in gold sales alone. Affiliates can earn up to 6% on gold sales in your entire organization. So you do the math. Now let's be realistic. Not everyone is going to keep saving 1 gram per month. Then again, not everyone is going to restrict themselves to 1 gram per month either. I have many customers who save hundreds of euros per month. There are bonus payments you can also earn. If you follow my system, this means you qualify for them too. Now, what difference would this make to your life? Imagine that's you in 6 months' time. Let me explain what it's done for me. A passive weekly income means I can spend as much time with my family as I like. I can get my children up, put them to bed every night. I see every school event. I greet them when they come home every single day. A passive income means I was able to go to Las Vegas in January. I'd be able to take my family on holiday in Canada in the summer for a whole month. I went to England to see my local football team play last Wednesday. I go shopping when the shops are quiet. I play in the snow the day it snows. I don't ask anyone's permission for what I do with my time. Now, money is great, but it's not as great as when you have time freedom to go with it. That's what Karatbars has done for me, and that's what this plan can do for you too. I've just created a system that will get you there faster. I've created a system which will also create tens of thousands of gold savers around the world. So remember, it's just 5 steps to freedom, and you can complete them in the next 5 minutes. The only thing stopping you now is yourself. All you're going to do is make 1 payment for a business package, start saving in gold yourself, and ask some people to watch the video and do the same. Now, the girl on the cliff has time freedom. Karatbars has given it to me. You now have the chance. It's over to you.